Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and we're back with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. You know, I feel like it's been a long time since we did a video, man. We've been pretty busy this summer with racing, but that is over. Season is done. We're back in front of the camera and we've got a lot of stuff coming for you. But right now inside the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, we have another kick-ass graphic from our friends at, you guessed it, it is HJC once again. This is the all-new Call of Duty Ghost Helmet. For the low price of $629, this bad boy can be yours. Not only is it an epic graphic, but it also ships complete with both a clear and a dark smoke shield. I have the dark smoke installed on the helmet now because it just looks cooler. Not only does this graphic look amazing, but when you get this thing in your hands, you're gonna find there's a lot of texture to the graphic itself. You know, HJC has been a real innovator when it comes to the graphic design on their helmets. They are absolutely leading the way. If you're looking for a full review on the Alpha 11 Pro, remember we have that on our website, we have that on our YouTube channel. This is only showcasing this kick-ass graphic. I must make a confession right now. I don't even really know what Call of Duty is, yet I'm still pumped up for this. Cody brought this thing over to me. I feel like he probably plays Call of Duty. My idea of a video game would be more like Pong or maybe Space Invaders.